Bass Professor. I'm back out here again, Hooks Again Serenity. And we also came out here just to kind of assess. Wow, we did so good the first time. I thought I'd come back out here and try it again. I'm pretty much just gonna throw everything all over again and see what happens with it, because we had success on the one to throw some of these and just see what we can catch. Stay tuned.
And I had control in the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned. Now I'm up all night. I'm picturing you acting like a fool. I'm on the other side. You're like a full moon, and I'm up all night, howling at you. Tables have turned. Tables have turned. Tables have turned. Tables have turned. I used to be chill, now I can't catch my breath. When you say my name, I feel tight in my chest. Can't handle the space, I need you here by my side. You make me sweat in the coldest of nights.